In this Viralable video review, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can get access to hundreds of viral videos with full private label rights that you can use to generate traffic with, generate social media, or even sell as your own and keep 100% of the money that you make. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Viralable video, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says get instant access to hundreds of Viralable videos with full PLR rights, big collection of emotive videos that will go viral easily with full PLR rights that you can use to generate viral traffic, grow social media, or sell as your own and keep 100% of the money that you make, all 100% in-house designed. So these aren't things that you're going to see everywhere else all over the internet. These are designed by them specifically for this product launch here. Now, when you look at the sales page, they're going to have actual examples of some of these videos you can actually take a look at. So if you look at these ones here, I'll let you look at that on your own time, but they have real examples. It's always nice to actually see some of these when you're trying to figure out if you want to purchase or not. And they've got them in all kinds of different niches, all kinds of different topics that you can use inside of your business. And it's a very low one-time price. So there's no video for this one, so I'm just going to move on right on to the members area. After you purchase, you can access the members area here and you can download your videos. It tells you what you can do with these and what you can't do with them. So you can take a look at that right here. I'll leave that on the screen for a second if you want to pause it and take a kind of a look at what you can do with this. But then you can go and you can download your videos. It has training on how to like replace audio and text and do different things with them. And you have extra bonuses as well. Now, there are multiple upgrades. The first upgrade, actually, this is the members area, sorry. First upgrade that you're going to see is a 50% massive discount on a PLR membership here. So you can join their big store and get tons and tons of different things here. You can either do a one-time payment of $147 or you can do a monthly of $19.90. So if you're like, oh, I 100% want it and I just don't want to pay monthly, I just want to get it and never worry about it again, and you get a big discount for it, you can get the one time, or if you're like not quite sure about it, you can get the monthly. It's up to you on how you want to do that. Next one is 150 emotive videos. So these are more videos that you can use in your business. Again, there's examples of these right on the sales page. That's 47. And then the last one is you can actually promote this and let's see here. Oh, sorry. This is the JV page. Never mind. So that's the last one. Looks like there's only a couple of OTOs here. So yeah, they're completely 100% optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Viralable videos and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, you will need to take these videos. You'll have to put them on social media or you'll have to sell them. I mean, there's action that you need to take with this. So it's not like you're just going to upload these and automatically magically start getting traffic and sales. You're going to have to need them. You have to use them strategically. And if you want to get clients, you're going to have to actually either email or talk with people to get clients for this. What do I like about this? These are done for you videos. Just use them, put them up, and any traffic that you get from them is essentially going to be free. And if you want to use them again, you can provide this as a service for people. It's an opportunity right there. Thank you so much for checking out my Viralable videos review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.